Arthropods are the most common group of animal on Earth in terms of numbers of individuals and numbers of species. They are incredibly diverse. The most successful groups, and perhaps the groups which come to mind first, are the land arthropods, the insects, the spiders, the scorpions, etc. These terrestrial forms were not the first arthropods, however. The first arthropods appeared in the ocean. Now, arthropods are still very common today in the ocean, in lobsters, in shrimp, in crabs, and in a host of much smaller crustaceans, which make up the zooplankton, which is the basis for many food chains. What designates an arthropod are some general features such as a hard exoskeleton made of chitin, large compound eyes composed of many segments, a complex head which is made of the fusion of a number of embryonic segments, segmented limbs, many of which are adapted to manipulate food and for fighting and for a variety of functions, segmented antennae, and a number of other features. So arthropods are clearly recognizable as a group. They do not exist in the Precambrian, however, at least not clearly. There are no clear arthropods from the majority of Earth's history. At the very end of the Precambrian, there were a few species present in the Ediacaran fauna, which have been proposed as almost arthropods, or animals which are developing some of the features of arthropods, but not enough to call them truly arthropods. In the early Cambrian, there were a number of lineages which possessed some of the features of arthropods, but not enough to truly be called arthropods. They seem to be the sister group of arthropods. And there were also very primitive arthropods, which are more primitive than any arthropods alive today. And so arthropods appear to have evolved in stages. The arthropods which we are most familiar with today, such as lobsters and crabs and crayfish, in addition to the terrestrial millipedes and spiders and ticks and insects, these appear much later in the history of life. The first arthropods present in the fossil record, beginning in the Cambrian period, are not alive today.